Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I really love this storage unit, and as a crafter, it's definitely gonna come in handy.
This rolling cart has so much space. I love the drawers and the sizes, but I also love the top because you can put stuff on top as well. If you're a crafter, or if you have books, or if you're a homeschool mom, or if you just want to hide stuff when company comes, if you have a whole bunch of papers, markers, color pencil, schoolwork, I would definitely recommend this product. You can put so many different things in there. Some of them are really deep and others are kind of shallow. So you can kind of look through and put what you want in each. It makes things super accessible. I also love the size of it. It can fit in between furniture very well, so it won't take up too much space. And it rolls. The color is really nice also. I just love it.
So, whether you're looking to organize your arts and crafts, things for your business, just things to hide, but when people are coming over, I would highly recommend this product. It fits really nicely in small spaces and keeps everything nice and compact. I would highly recommend this product, and that's my point of view.